So today I'm going to be showing you this classic Christmas makeup look right here. I really love this look a lot. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off this video a little bit different. I'm going to be starting off with my face makeup because this look is pretty easy and I don't get a lot of fallout from the eyes. So I'm just going to do my face makeup first and then do the eye makeup. So I'm going to start off using my e.l.f. matte putty primer. And then I'm going to use my Wet n Wild primer serum, if I can get it open. There we go. I'll put some cool nail polish on. It's not really nail polish per se, but kinda. Just really shiny, and it's actually a metallic like top coat. And it looks really pretty, and I put it on my nails today because I wanted to do something with my nails for this look. I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. I love this foundation so much. It looks really good with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It all just comes together and gives a really nice, smooth look to your skin, and I love it so much, so I'm gonna use it in this video. But I was worried about using it because it doesn't have a lot left because I love it so much, and I left it upside down for 2 days straight. Like sitting like this, so that way the product would kind of come down a little more. There we go, I think I got enough. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge and blend this in. And then I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and put this underneath my eyes. And on my forehead, down my nose, my upper lip, and on any spots that I have, which are actually getting a lot better recently. Because I started using a liquid exfoliant. And it's cleared up really well. To set my face, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Set my under eyes with that, with my sponge. And my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Okay, so now for my cheeks, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade 310 Sun Beige. And this is kind of a lighter, cool-toned color, so it's going to work really well with this look because we're using a lot of more cool-toned products. So I'm just going to bronze up my cheeks with that. And then I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. And I'm going to use this middle color right here, which is the only one I have here because all the other ones are depotted from me dropping it on the ground and it breaking and shattering everything else. But this is the one I use anyway, so. But I'm just going to contour my face with these. And I'm going to actually use this later to use it as a cool toned eyeshadow in the crease, just as like a light wash of color, like a natural crease color. And so yeah, I'm going to use that twice today. And now for blush, I'm going to use this e.l.f. blush in Pink Passion. This hot, bright pink right here. And I'm going to apply that on my cheeks. I really want this kind of perfect flush to the cheeks. So this bright blush is gonna give me that. And I'm just gonna use little bits and go slowly so I don't use too much. Then I'm gonna give my nose like a rosy. I'm gonna give my nose a rosy look, and I'm gonna apply some on there. Used a bit too much. Then I'm gonna use this for highlighter. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution loose highlighter in Iced Diamond, and I'm going to use this to highlight. And I'm actually going to use the same highlighter later as my eyeshadow on my lid. So I'm using two different products that I'm using on my cheeks, on my eyes, so I'm multiple purposing everything, a couple of things. That is my cheeks done. So now I'm going to do my brows, and then I will come back and we'll start working on the eyeshadow. Okay, so I did one eye off camera. So now I'm going to show you guys it. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. And this one is a rosy cool tone skin color, so it's perfect for this look. Then once I primed, I'm going to use my Real Techniques shading brush and my powder from earlier, my face powder, and I'm going to set down my inner corner and my brow bone. And then I'm going to go in with my contour color from the Bronze Booster. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush and blend that in my crease. And it's a perfect, since it's a contour color, it's a perfect cool toned, natural looking eyeshadow. And then for this gorgeous frosty white color right here, I'm going to use my same highlighter from earlier once again. And I'm going to first actually take some more of my e.l.f. Putty Primer on this same e.l.f. brush. And I'm going to kind of add some more of this right here, specifically on the lid, to give a extra base, so that way it will have a lot more pigment to it and it can stick to the tacky base. So I'm going to use my Morphe where is it? Morphe M421 brush. I'm going to pack this down on top of that base. Love the way that that looks. It just brings out the eyes and it's pretty natural. So now to add even more to this look, I'm going to be doing winged eyeliner. So I'm going to use my Physicians Formula eye booster, and I'm going to be using this to create a wing. Okay, so I had a little bit of trouble with my eyeliner, but I think I got it semi-even. I know it's probably kind of messed up, but I was having a lot of trouble. I'm going to do my waterline now, so I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk on my waterline. Now I'm going to apply some eyelashes. I'm going to use these Ardell demi, I guess they're like demi naturals or something. These are from Ardell, and I'm going to apply them using my Kiss Strip Lash adhesive. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is my lips, and I'm going to go for a bold red lip. So I'm going to be using this. First I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to use this Essence Stay lip liner, and this one is in the shade You and Me Ship. Freaking cute. It's a pretty cute name. And it's like a more warm toned red color. And then I'm also going to fill my lips in with this. And once I have that done, I'm going to do my favorite lipstick ever. This is the MAC lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. And it is a cool toned red lip color. Obviously red. And I'm going to apply this over top of that. Okay, and this is the completed Christmas makeup look right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!